Good morning guys, welcome back. Myself Manish Mittal from SURAJ Senior Secondary School, Mahendragarh. SURAJ School, where every child is special. On behalf of SURAJ School, today I teach you some entry related to the bad debts and bad debts recovered. First of all, dear students, bad debts. Bad debts. Person to whom sold goods on credit became insolvent and we could not receive anything from him, or we receive a part of due amount. The amount which we could not receive from the debtor, that is known as bad debt. Again I repeat, person to whom goods are sold on credit became insolvent and we could not receive anything from him, or we received a part of the due amount. The amount which are not received from the debtor due to insolvency is known as bad debt. Your entry will be passed from bad debts, cash or bank. You can use cash and bank as per the requirement, and debtor. Bad debts, nominal, cash, real, debtor, personal. Nominal account roll, debit or expense and losses, credit or income and gain. Bad debts, expense and debit. Bad debts, account debit. Cash, real, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Cash comes in the business. Cash, debit. Debtor, personal. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debtor is the giver, then debtor will be credit. Your entry will be passed cash account debit, tax account debit, cash account debit to debtor account. Next one is bad debts recovered. Bad debts recovered. Bad debts recovered. Due to some reason, the amount which we assumed that bad debt, now that amount is recovered. That is known as bad debts recovered. The amount which you assumed bad debts, now that recovered from the debtor, that is known as bad debts recovered. Your entry will be passed cash and bad debts recovered. Cash and bad debts recovered. Cash real, bad debts recovered nominal. Real, debit or expense and losses, credit or income and gain. Cash comes in the business, then cash will be debit. Cash account debit to bad debts recovered. Income credit to bad debts recovered account. Cash account debit to bad debts recovered account. Now I will discuss this topic with some practical problems with journal entry. First of all, I make the format for the journal entry. Date, particular, ledger folio, amount rupees debit, amount rupees credit. Yes, dear friends, first one. Biru who owed us 15,000. Biru is the debtor of 15,000, declared insolvent and 65 paise in a rupee. From 1 rupee we received 65 paise as a final dividend from state. From state we received 65 paise in a rupee. Your entry will be passed from the case, bad debts and debtor. Debtor means bill. First of all, we calculate cash 65 paise. 15,000 65%. 65 paise means 65% result. 0 15 97. We receive cash 9,750. And we do the debtor for 15,000 because he owed us 15,000. Remaining will be bad debts. Cash real, bad debts nominal, we do personal. Real account rule debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Cash comes in the business, cash comes in the debit, cash account debit. 9,750. Bad debts nominal, debit or expense losses, credit or income and gain. Bad debts loss, then nominal account loss debit. Bad debts account debit. 5,250. We do personal, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Personal account giver, giver then credit to bill. 15,000. Narration. Debtor bureau. Rupees 15,000. Received. At final dividend. 65 paise in a rupee. Dear students, I think you understand it. Next one, problem number 2. Rahul, who owed us 10,000, becomes insolvent and received a final dividend of 60 paise in a rupee from state. Who is debtor? Rahul. Debtor for 10,000. Received 65 paise in a rupee. Then cash and bad debts. Cash 60 paise means 60%. 10,000 60%. Result 6,000 received in cash and remaining were bad debt because he became insolvent. Remaining bad debt. Number 2. Rahul personal, cash real, bad debt nominal. Rahul personal debit the receiver, credit the giver. Cash giver, Rahul giver then credit. Rahul will be credit. Cash real, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Cash comes in the business, then debit. Bad debts nominal, debit or expense and losses, credit or income and gain. Bad debts loss, then debit. Cash debit. Cash account debit. 6,000. Bad debts account debit. Bad debts account debit. 4,000 to Rahul. 10,000. Narration. For cash debtor, Rahul debtor. 10,000 received 60 paise in a rupee as final dividend. Received 60 paise in a rupee as final dividend. Next problem is for related to the bad debts recovered. Your bad debts recovered problem. Received rupee 20,000 as bad debts return of last year. Received 2,000 return of as bad debts in last year. The amount which are assumed bad debts now returned. Your entry will be passed from the cash and bad debts recovered. Cash and bad debts recovered. Cash. Real bad debts recovered nominal. Real account rule debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Cash comes in the business, cash debit. Bad debts recovered nominal, debit or expense and losses, credit or income and gain. Bad debts recovered income, income then credit. Result, cash will be debit and bad debts recovered will be credit. Your entry will be passed. Cash account debit to bad debts recovered account. To bad debts recovered account. Cash account debit to bad debts recovered account for 2000. Narration. Receipt bad debts recovered for bad debts recovered 2000. Recovered 2000. Rupees 2000. Last entry for the bad debts recovered. It is the received 3000 from the SURAJ which were returned of a bad debt in previous year. Again your entry will be passed from the cash and bad debts recovered. Cash and bad debts recovered. Recovered cash real, bad debts recovered nominal. Real account rule, debit or expenses and losses, credit or income and gain. Cash comes in from the winner's cash debit. Cash account debit. Cash account debit, bad debts recovered income to bad debts recovered account. To bad debts recovered account. 4 rupees 3000. 4 rupees 3000. Your narration will be 4. Your narration will be for bad debts recovered 3000. For bad debts recovered. Bad debts recovered rupees 3000. Recovered rupees 3000. Yes, students, these are some entries related to the bad debt and bad debts recovered. I hope you understand it. If you understand it, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.